Kids fashion encompasses a variety of categories, each catering to different age groups, preferences, and occasions. Here are some popular kids fashion categories. Infant clothing. Newborn essentials such as onesies, sleepers, and bodysuits. Soft and breathable fabrics for delicate skin. Adorable prints and patterns suitable for babies. Toddler clothing. Playful and comfortable outfits for active toddlers. Easy-to-wear items like t-shirts, shorts, and leggings. Bright colors, fun graphics, and cute designs. Preschooler clothing. Versatile and durable clothing for kids aged 3 to 5. Mix of casual and dressier options for various activities. Simple fastenings to encourage independence. Elementary school clothing. Stylish and functional outfits for school and play. Layering pieces, denim, and sneakers. Age-appropriate designs that reflect kids' personalities. Teen clothing. Fashion-forward styles for kids transitioning into adolescence. Trendy clothing with influences from adult fashion. Focus on self-expression and individuality. Special occasion wear. Dresses, suits, and formal attire for events like weddings, parties, and holidays. Elegant fabrics, intricate details, and tailored fits. Athletic and sportswear. Sport-specific clothing for activities like soccer, basketball, dance, and gymnastics. Performance fabrics, moisture-wicking properties, and comfortable cuts. Activewear and athleisure. Comfortable and stylish clothing suitable for both physical activities and casual wear. Leggings, joggers, hoodies, and sneakers. Swimwear. Swimsuits, rash guards, and swim trunks for trips to the beach or pool. Sun protective materials and vibrant prints. Outerwear. Coats, jackets, and winter wear to keep kids warm during colder months. Insulated, waterproof, and weather-resistant options. Sleepwear. Pajamas, nightgowns, and sleep sets for a comfortable night's rest. Soft and breathable fabrics with cute prints. Footwear. Shoes, sandals, and sneakers designed for different activities and seasons. Supportive features for growing feet. Accessories. Hats, scarves, gloves, and belts to complement outfits. Hair accessories, jewelry, and bags for added style. School uniforms. Standardized outfits for schools with dress codes. Polos, dress shirts, skirts, and trousers in approved colors. Ethnic and cultural wear. Clothing that celebrates cultural heritage and traditions. Traditional outfits and accessories from different cultures. DIY and craft kits. Clothing kits that kids can customize and decorate themselves. Encourages creativity and personalization. Gender-neutral clothing. Clothing designed to be inclusive and free from traditional gender stereotypes. Emphasis on comfort and versatility. These categories offer a broad overview of the diverse options within kids' fashion. Tailoring your designs to these categories and understanding the unique needs of each age group and occasion will help you create successful and appealing kids' clothing collections.